Okay, how can you move a cursor with Python? Well, I'm using PyAutoGUI, so I downloaded that. So import PyAutoGUI, print, and in this code here, print PyAutoGUI position. I'm using that code to first of all get a position. So the reason I want to move a cursor is I want to go to websites. I'm making a traffic bot, so I want to go to a site and then automatically move a cursor to a position. So how would you find out the position? Well, you do this first of all. Print, and highlight it. It didn't work. Print PyAutoGUI position. So that's going to print whatever position the mouse cursor is. So if you see it now, I'm on the left. Over here to right. So let's say down there, and then you run. So run module. I'm leaving my cursor in the middle, and here we have X 1024 because I'm right over to the right. Y equals 360, which is about sort of halfway down. That was over here. If you can see the cursor position now, that's where I sort of left it. So that gives you a position of where you left the mouse cursor. So that's the first thing you want to do to get the position you want to move it to. Okay, so how do you move it automatically to that? Okay, what have I got here? On the left side I've got the module, so I've still got that, so I want to delete that print code, and now (1024) Y equals those are the positions I want. So PyAutoGUI move to X and Y, so X comma Y and closes brackets. So that's what I'm going to be using to move the cursor automatically when I'm making a traffic bot. So I'm going to run this in the module. I've got to save first. I'm saving over the rest of it. You can't see that, but that's what happens. Kind of an easy way of doing it, really. Just run that again just to check it. That is sort of, and it's worked. I just want to check it, I wanted to test it then, so I left it purposefully up there, my mouse cursor position, and I watched it move it down. I don't know how clear that would be, but let's try some different coordinates. So let's say over here, on the left side, X is going to be a lot less. Let's try something like, I don't know, 400, and I'll keep Y the same, so it'll be about sort of same, or maybe, yeah, keep it the same. So if I do this now, or maybe a bit more, maybe 400 itself. Right, I'm going to try this, and the cursor should be somewhere over here, somewhere on the left. So run in module, got to save it again. Now my hands are off and it worked. On the left side, inside the module, if you can see me moving that now, that's where it ended up. So there's your code. That's how you can move it first. That's how you can move it. If you want the exact coordinates, then you use the position, the print Payetugui position that I used at the start of the video.